I am cooking now. Please don't disturb me.
I am not disturbing. I am just watching. What are you cooking? Huh?
Something you should not touch.
It smells really good. Can I taste it?
No means no. It is not ready yet.
Just a small taste.
No means no.
I will take one bite.
You always say that, and you never stop.
Go sit down and wait.
Waiting makes me more hungry.
I was just helping.
You are not helping.
You are making a mess.
I can cook too, you know. Hey!
I said don't touch.
Yes, you can cook. You can burn food very well.
That happened only one time. Is it ready now?
It smells really good already. No, it will not be ready. And keep asking.
I am very, very hungry. I feel like I have not eaten all day.
Good. Then you will eat quietly without talking. Stay there. Don't come closer.
I am still far away.
Did you just taste it? I saw that clearly. No, I am only checking the smell with my mouth.
Did you think I am blind?
Yes. You are impossible in the kitchen, but I am very useful outside the kitchen.
Then go outside right now and wait. What?
But the food is inside. It must be ready now.
I said no.
Good food takes time.
All right, but you owe me an extra serving.
Just a few more minutes. It's almost done. It smells so good. I think it's ready now.
No, no! It is still cooking!